Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to turn off dark mode on Viber, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn off dark mode on Viber, first open up your Viber app on your phone. And after opening your Viber app, guys, on this interface at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see there's a more button with a three-dotted icon available for us. At the bottom right, tap on that more button at the bottom right and you'll land over here where you can see the settings option available for us. Just above my notes, tap on settings and this kind of interface will appear where you'll be required to tap on the appearance, which is just below the stories, guys. Tap on appearance and you'll be over here. Now you can see where it says the chooser theme. Now in order to turn off dark mode on Viber, you will be required to tap on the light where it says the chooser theme over here. And with that being done, guys, your dark mode on Viber will be turned off. And there, guys, this is how to turn off dark mode on Viber. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.